everyone who are loving me watching our YouTube channel. I'm gonna share you about our mission trip up to Kailali. This video is all about the outreach over the Kailali. We were unable to plan accordingly because of COVID-19. But as soon as the condition was stable, me and my classmates decided to visit. Let's begin our journey! We are nearly to bus park at 4 p.m. Hi! Hi!
Hi! Hi! South to pure विदेश में पढ़ा कर इसने है जो
Here we begin our journey for around 16 to 18 hours. This was our late night dinner at Chiton, and then we slept in the bus. It was okay, enjoying the time. Saturday morning at 5 a.m. we got up from the bus and had a hot tea in a chilly morning waiting Nisha. The journey was again for 8 hours more, and we were sleeping in the bus. As the road condition in the Tarai part of Nepal is good, that is why we were able to rest in a comfortable seat. Budha National Park is a protected area in Nepal that was established in 1988, the Royal Budha National Park. As it is the home to the Royal Bengal tiger, tiger attack is the current problem of this road. Welcome to Karnali Bridge of Chisapani, single-towered bridge, the second longest 500-meter of its type in Nepal, that was established in the international collaboration which is in between Kailali district and Budha. Rafting and hiking is the main tourist attraction in this river. We got a 30-minute break for breakfast, and this is what we are having in Chisapani. Welcome to Kailali, and this is the suspension bridge, main attraction of national and international tourists. The air was blowing like a storm, and it was fun. Nearly about 300 to 500 internal tourists visit this wonderful land with their families, with their friends, with the purpose of enjoying the nature. What a wonderful place. We were waiting for the bus to move because of strike. Yaayy, God! Then we enjoy a village barbecue party. Then we rested. We were arranging the papers accordingly.
कस्तो हुस्से लाग्यो केही पनि जामुक धुन अब
गर्न जाल्ला त क्या डाइयामा सुदिने आमा यता हेर्नु छ डेलिभरी
We were excited for the teaching and the student, how they are and how the things will go. But we hope we will do it successfully and will keep updating by the videos. As being the medical student, we could do nothing big, but providing the